So Meshelle does her thing, blah, blah, blah. Then warning, light cue 5.
You can go from Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa.
Right. If she said we're gonna completely, she gone completely white, she would have been a ghost on Christmas past. Right. Very good. Then warning, light cue 6. A round of shots tonight at the Witch's Tip Bar. How can I say, don't say that please, in Swahili? Very good, ladies. Blah, 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 blah. Warning, light cue 7, sound cue 3, track 16, disc 1. Fairy tooth, I'm so dyslexic right now. Tooth Fairy, Easter Bunny, Gnomes, and Keebler Elves all have a special place in her heart. Ding dong.